Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your AWeber account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you cancel a scheduled email in your AWeber account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to cancel a scheduled email anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you probably set up your emails far in advance, and with AWeber, you can schedule those, but maybe the product isn't going to go live, or maybe you need to correct the email. So you want to go ahead and cancel that scheduled email. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your AWeber account. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well, but I've already logged into my AWeber and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, first off, on the top left, you want to make sure that you're working in the correct email list. Once you've chosen the correct email list, you're going to look for this button right here. It looks like in a little envelope. Once you click there, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click on all messages. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see all of your email messages. So you see here, I have 3 drafts and then 1 scheduled. So the drafts are not going to go out, but the scheduled is, unless I cancel that schedule. So how you're going to do that is here to the right on these 3 dots, click there. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu and you want to click this red unschedule button. Okay, next you're going to get this warning from AWeber. What do you want to do? Do you want to unschedule it and just move it over to drafts, or do you want to completely delete the message? So that's really up to you. For me, I'm going to go ahead and move it over to drafts and then click on unschedule. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. You're going to see this pop up that email has been unscheduled. So now if I want to reset, I do need to schedule it or send it out immediately. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to unschedule an email broadcast in your AWeber account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.